Academic Encounters, 2nd Edition, Level 3, Listening and Speaking, Life in Society, by Kim Sanabria. Series Editor Bernard Seal. This audio program contains recordings that correspond to the Life in Society Students Book, published by Cambridge University Press. This recording is copyrighted. Unit 3, Media and Society. Chapter 5, Mass Media Today. Getting started. Listening for specific information. Page 92. Interview 1. Problems with TV news. Answering multiple choice questions. Page 94. Interview 2. Opinions about the news. Listening for main ideas. Page 95. Listening for stressed words. Page 96. Lecture. Sarah Coleman. From Event to Story. Making it to the news. Before the lecture. Listening for signal words. Page 102. Lecture. Part 1. The work of a journalist. Choosing a format for organizing your notes. Page 104. Lecture. Part 2. Getting a story into print. Choosing a format for organizing your notes. Page 107. Chapter 6. Impact of the media on our lives. Getting started. Recording numerical information. 110. Interview 1. The advantages of the media. Listening for specific information. Page 113. Interview 2. Disadvantages of the media. Listening for specific information. Page 114. Listening for tone of voice. Page 115. Lecture. Deidre Smith. Dangers of the mass media. Before the lecture. Organizing your notes as a map. Page 119. Lecture. Part 1. Violence, Passivity, and Addiction. Organizing your notes as a map. Page 121. Lecture. Part 2. Advertising and Invasion of Privacy. Organizing your notes as a map. Page 123. Unit 4. Breaking the Rules. Chapter 7. And Criminals. Getting started. Building background knowledge. Technical terms. Page 133. Interview 1. Crime in Society Today. Answering true-false questions. Page 135. Interview 2. Being the victim of a crime. Listening for details. Page 137. Listening for tone of voice. Page 138. Lecture. Michael Anglin. Crime and Ways of Solving Crime. Before the lecture. Clarifying your notes. Page 143. Lecture. Part 1. Types of crime. Clarifying your notes. Page 145. Lecture. Part 2. Ways of Solving Crime. Using your notes to answer test questions. Page 146. Chapter 8. Controlling Crime. Getting started. Listening for opinions. Page 150. Interview 1. Preventing juvenile crime. Listening for main ideas. Page 153. Interview 2. The prison experience. Listening for main ideas. Page 155. Listening for contrasting ideas. Page 155. Lecture. Jonathan Stack. The Death Penalty. Before the lecture. Recording numerical information. Page 160. Lecture. Part 1. Arguments against the death penalty. Using your notes to ask questions. 62. Lecture, Part 2. Questions, answers, and comments. Using your notes to ask questions and make comments. Page 163.